As you can see in this picture, many of our actions like checking our phone or doing our homework, brushing our teeth is same behavior we repeat every day. And we often don't even think about them, and that's because of habit. Research shows that nearly 40% of our daily action is because of habit. That means a large part of our life is actually controlled by routine, repeating every day. So if we want to understand our behavior, we first need to understand habit. Today, I will talk about the psychology behind habit forming, and I will cover three parts. The first one is how habits begin and why they repeat automatically, and and the final part, how we can understand how we can use this knowledge and build better habits in our daily life. In this presentation, my first endpoint is that habit begin with cues. A cue is something that triggers a behavior. It can be a time, place, environment, or even an object. And for example, in this picture, a phone notification reminds us to check our phones immediately. The notification itself is not the habit, it's the cues that start the habit. It reminds us to check our phones every time. And psychologists describe habit formation using something called the habit loop. It starts with cues and begins with routine and reward. The cues trigger the behavior, the routine is the action, and the reward is the positive feelings we get afterward. My second main point is habit repeat because they reward us. Rewards don't have to be big. Even small feelings of comfort can make a habit repeat. This process involves dopamine. Dopamine helps the brain learn which behavior are worth repeating. When a behavior brings even a small reward, dopamine sends a message to the brain. Remember this, do it again. And that's why habit can form faster than we expect. My third main point is that habits are not fixed. Instead of relying on motivation, we can change habit by changing our environment and making behavior easier or harder. Small change can lead to a long-term result. For example, making kids visible help habits start. Putting a water bottle on your desk makes it easier to remember to drink water. By designing our environment, we design our habit. And if we put water bottle on our desk to remind us, remember, drink water, and the water bottle is the key. In this presentation, I use the cause-effect solution structure. First, the cause is how habit begin, and second, the effect, why they repeat, why we repeat our habit in our daily life. And finally, the solution, how we can change them. To summarize today's presentation, begin with cues they repeat because of rewards, and they can be shaped through small changes. Understanding the psychology of habit forming gives us the power to change our daily routine. Small habits may seem unimportant, but over time they can shape our daily life. Our habits, our habits make what we become.